Welcome to JH. So, UltaReviewstore is out here claiming to be the official headquarters for the Ulta Beauty Reviewer program. They promise you can just sign up and start reviewing products with zero effort, which sounds like a dream or perhaps a hallucination. The first red flag is that this site was registered in April 2025. Apparently, they've mastered time travel because they're operating from the future while looking like a total disaster in the present. It's hard to build a proven track record when your website's birth certificate hasn't even been printed yet. When we actually tried to click this Start Review button, instead of mascara and moisturizers, we were treated to a magical mystery tour of completely random, unrelated websites. Because nothing says professional beauty program like being redirected to a sketchy third-party platform that has absolutely nothing to do with makeup. There's also no contact support and no privacy policy to be found. I guess they value your privacy so much they didn't even bother writing down how they plan to lose your data. It's a bold strategy for a legit business, really. Here is the real comedy gold. The site displays glowing Trustpilot reviews dated back to 2024. Keep in mind, the site didn't even exist until 2025. It takes a special kind of audacity to fake reviews from a year before you even bought the domain name. If you're looking for a legitimate way to review beauty products, this isn't it. It's just a poorly constructed house of cards designed to mislead you. Between the random redirects and the time-warping reviews, this place is about as reliable as a chocolate teapot. Save your personal info for a site that actually exists in our current dimension. Thanks for sticking around till the end. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more honest updates.